Hey everybody, this video I've got a MDK brass padlock. I think it's a 40 millimeter or maybe 50 millimeter, I'm not sure. It's 2.5 inch shackle. Keys were lost, so a buddy of mine gave this to me. They sell these at his shop. And since there was no keys, he just let me have it. And this has a it's an M1 keyway, but it's actually 5 pins, so it takes a it's called a VR2 blank, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe a VR7. I think VR2 though. Some of the Brinks padlocks also take that same blank. They're identical to the M1, just the one extra pin. And not too hard to get into. So nice feeling lock anyway, but not too tough to pick. But it's like a $12 lock, so it's kind of what you would expect, I guess. But anyway, it's a MDK padlock, single pin picked, and that will do it for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.